Hi, my name is Gracie Fain, and I'm from Northern Middle School, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Google website. First, you're going to go to Google Sites, and you're going to go to the bottom right corner to the little plus sign and hit Create New Site. So that will bring you to this page. So you can name your site. Say we're making a site for a bakery. You can add a logo if you have one, like Alex's Bakery. And then this page title will be all about us if you wanted. So from here, you can do a lot of different editing to just the words, or you can have an image for your header. So upload an image of, like, maybe you had like a cupcake or something that you wanted to put in here. I don't have an image, but that would be what you do. So then you could choose all different like themes for your site. So if you wanted purple, that would be that. But then you can scroll down and there's a bunch of different ways that it would set up and format your page. So here, this is where you can add a new page. So let's say your next page was about your prices. There is your next page. And what you can do is you can, if you have multiple pages set up, you can move them around. So you can just drag it with your mouse and move that around. And then let's go back to this. You can upload multiple things from your Google Drive or just regular images, and you can make text boxes, just to write things like welcoming the people to your website. There's different layouts that you can do for your website. If you have like a certain, like you want 4 pictures, so that's what you would put in there, and then put the 4 pictures on each of those. And then down here, you can add these in to your site, and it's just like a little shortcut, so you don't have to go through a lot of steps to create something in your website. So this is a very easy and efficient way to make a new website. So up here would be, you can copy the link of your website because it automatically makes it for you. So say I just copied that link. I'll have to do it again. Oh, first, sorry, my bad. You have to publish your website. And this kind of just ties it all together and creates the URL. So then you would go up to the top here and hit copy publish link. So copy it. And then you just go to your regular thing, hit paste, enter, and there is your new website. Thank you.